Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 2 maths, chapter number 3, numbers up to 1000. This is the first video on this chapter. Before starting the chapter, let us recall what we have learned in the previous classes through this warm-up exercise. Here, question number 1 is write the numbers before, after or between. A blank box is given here and then the number 70 is given. That means we have to write the number that comes just before 70. The number that comes just before 70 is 69. Therefore, let us write the number 69 in this box. 69. B 49 and then a blank space or blank box is given. We have to write the number that comes just after 49, that is 50. Write 50 in this box. 50. Coming to C, a blank box is given between the numbers 58 and 60. So we have to write the number that comes between 58 and 60. The number between 58 and 60 is 59. So we will write 59 in this box. 59. Coming to question number 2, write the number names for the following numbers. Let us write the number names of these numbers. A 97, N I N E T Y 90, put a hyphen and write 7. S E V E N 97. B is this is the number found in the digits 1 and 3, which is name of this number is 13. Write 13 here in the space. T H I R T E E N 13. C is 40. The number name of this number is 40. 40. F O R T Y 40. D, the number formed by 8 and 2 is called 82. Let us write here 82. E I G H T Y 82 T W O 2. These are the number names of the given numbers. Coming to question number 3, write the numbers. A. 2 tens, 5 ones. So the number found by 2 tens and 5 ones is 25. That means 2 will be in tens place and 5 in ones place. Let us write 25. 2, 5, 25. B. 7 tens, 4 ones is 74. 7 in tens place and 4 in ones place, 74. Question number 4. Write the missing numbers. A. 72, 73 is given here. So we have to write the missing numbers in these boxes. So we have to continue writing the numbers here. The number after 73 is 74. Let us write 74 here. 74, 75, 76, 77. Coming to B, here 36 is given, 2 blank spaces are given and 39 is given here. If you continue the counting here, after 36 we will get 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. We have to fill these boxes. So after 36 we have to write 37 here. 37, 38, 39 is given. We will write 40 in this box and then 41. Question number 5. Fill in the boxes with is less than, is greater than or is equal to sign. A. 35, a blank box is given and 53 is given here. So 35 is less than 53. So we will write the appropriate symbol in this box. 35 is less than 53. B. 66 and 49 is given. 66 is greater than 49. In C, 85 and 58 are given. 85 is greater than 58. In D, we see 72 on both sides of the box. We will put a equal to sign here. Is equal to 72 is equal to 72. Coming to question number 6. Write the numbers shown on the abacus. Here some numbers are represented by these abacus given here. Looking at these, the abacus and the number of beads on the rods of the abacus, we have to write the correct number in the boxes given below this abacus. Let us see which number is represented by the abacus. A. So let us count the number of beads on tens rod here. There are 1, 2, 3 beads, and on ones rod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads are there. So 3 tens and 7 ones. Therefore, the number represented by this abacus is 37. Let us write 37 in this box. 3, 7. Similarly here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beads on both rods. We will write 44. 44. Coming to C, let us count the number of beads on the tens rod here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads are there, and there are no beads on ones rod, which represents 0. Therefore, the number represented by this abacus is 90. We will write 90 in this box. 90. Now let us understand numbers in hundreds. Remember, 10 ones is equal to 110. Dear children, we have learned the representation of numbers using beads in earlier classes, in which we have understood these single beads represents 1. This is 1 1. We have 10 such beads which represents 10 ones, and all these beads piled one above the other or placed one above the other, which forms a rod like thing of beads which represents 110. We have learned these in previous classes. Please recall those. Also, we know that if there are 10 such rods of beads containing 10 beads in each rod, which will be equal to 10 tens. There are 10 tens here, which will be equal to 100. There will be a panel or plane of beads containing 100 beads, which is equal to 100. So please remember these facts. 10 ones is equal to 110 and 10 tens is equal to 100. And now let us see how to represent these numbers or hundreds on an abacus. To represent the numbers in hundreds, we need 3 rods on an abacus. So in the abacus, the rod at the right extreme represents ones place, and the next towards left is represents tens place, and the adjacent rod represents hundreds place as shown in this picture. So this first rod from right represents ones place, second rod from right represents tens place, and the third rod from right represents hundreds place. So to represent 100, there will be or there should be one bead on hundreds rod. There will be no beads on tens and ones rods. So this abacus or one bead on hundreds rod and no beads on tens and zeros ones rod represents 100. Similarly, to represent 200, there should be 2 beads on hundreds rod and no beads on both tens rod and ones rod. So like this, we can continue representing numbers in hundreds. For 300, there will be 3 beads on hundreds place rod, like this, which represents 300, 300. There are 3 beads here, so which represents 3, and there are 0 beads on tens place rod and 0 beads on ones place rod. So this represents 300 in an abacus. Numeral or using numbers, we will write it as 300, and the number name is 300. THREEHUNDRED. This is the number name or number in words. For 400, there will be 4 beads on hundreds place rod and no beads on tens and ones place rods. 400, 400, the number name is written here. For 500, there will be 5 beads on hundreds place rod and no beads on tens place and ones place rods. Number name is 500. 600 is represented with the 6 beads on hundreds place rod and no beads on tens and ones place rods. 600 is 600. Number name is written as shown here. Similarly, for 700, there will be 7 beads on hundreds place rod and 0 beads on tens place rod, 0 beads on ones place rod. Number name is 700. For 800, there will be 8 beads. Count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads on hundreds place rod and 0 beads on both tens place rod and ones place rod, which represents the number 800. The number name is written as EIGHTHUNDRED, 800. Look here, 900 is represented as shown here with the 9 beads on hundreds place rod and no beads on tens place and ones place rods. Number name is NINE space HUNDRED, 900. So 1000 is represented using 4 rods of an abacus. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. To represent 1000, we need 4 rods of an abacus and there will be 1 bead on thousands place rod. So the number name of this number, which is formed by 1 followed by 3 zeros, is 1000 as written here. ONE space THOUSAND, 1000. So this is how we represent numbers in hundreds on an abacus as shown now. So also we should remember that in 10 hundreds make 1000 or 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. So in 1000 there will be 10 hundreds. Remember this fact. So today we have understood the representation of numbers in hundreds on an abacus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye children.